So this is Rosa, a new high chair for the first time, having her thingy, having some, oh, dribble, yeah. And guess who's down the bottom? Waiting for some tidbits. Little Blizzard. So now, we're going to try and give you some food, aren't we? Here you go, Rosa. Nice.
She was helped by an amazing organization called the Smelling Ass Foundation, run by a woman who herself had been sold to brothels and escaped, and now helps others, supported by many Americans. And Crossed is just
Give Mummy the spoon.
incredibly courageous, inspiring young woman. So how prevalent is sex slavery?
Can Mummy have the spoon back? Good girl. You go. Yay.